Hey YouTubers, welcome to my orchard videos. Well, today we've got another project. We've got to make a key for turning on irrigation valve. I had a real nice key at one time. I don't know where it's gone. Every year I lose it. Don't know where the hell it went. So I'm going to make another one to turn on irrigation valves. So, get a bunch of stuff, parts and pieces. We're going to make something. So, piece of exhaust pipe, piece of plate, some old tubes there, ball her up, make a key, and we'll show you guys what we come up with here pretty quick. So, simple, and we'll bring you back soon. So there you have it. There's a key for the irrigation, made out of scraps. Every time I go to like a junkyard or something, I see like round metal kicking around or something, like these tubes, and they're steel. I pick them up. You never know, you might need to build something quick. You get shit like that, cut it up with your bandsaw or your regular handsaw like that. So it works. Weld her up, you got yourself a little key. Easy to make. So anyways, gotta make it, gotta do it. Easy peasy. Alrighty, here's a little tool for you guys. Doing irrigation valves. Easy tool to make. Anybody can do it. Alright. Remember, when you see metal, don't scrap it, save it. You never know when you're gonna need it. Alright. Thanks for watching. There'll be more stuff coming up from my orchard videos. Bye for now.